In this video, I'll show you how to find your routing number on Cash App. First step is to open Cash App. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. The second step is to go to your balance. Tap the banking tab at the bottom to see your balance and Cash App account details. Step 3. View your account info. Look for the direct deposit option and tap on it to see your routing and account numbers. Step 4. Copy your routing number. Tap on the routing number and copy it to use for direct deposits or bank transfers. Here are some bonus tips. Use routing numbers for direct deposits and get paid faster. Link your Cash App to external accounts using the routing number. Make sure you enable direct deposit if you can't see your routing number. Don't confuse your routing number with your account number. Only share your routing number with people you trust. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. Check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe.